Okay, so someone asked about this question. We did it in class, but maybe it warrants doing it again. Actually, two people asked about it, so I'll post this up and see how it goes. A survey of athletes at a high school is conducted, and the following facts are discovered. 75% of the athletes are football players, 19% are basketball players, and 1% of the athletes play both football and basketball. An athlete is chosen at random from the high school. What is the probability that the athlete is either a football player or a basketball player? So really we're asking this. What's the probability of football or basketball? And that would follow the addition rule. Probability of football plus the probability of basketball minus any probability where they overlap, meaning inside here, that somebody plays football and basketball. Okay? So we don't have to, it's not required, but we can use the Venn diagram to help. And I would say the following. Whenever we fill out the Venn diagram, we always fill out the middle first and then go out. So there is 1% of athletes that play both football and basketball. So they're right in here. That 1% is in here. Whether that's one person, 6 people, whatever, it doesn't matter. We don't know the number. We know that it's a percentage. So 1 goes right there. And that's not easy to see. So let me erase all that garbage. Let's just put a big 1 in here. Okay? Now, 75% play football. And if I put a 75 here, that at some point that seems like that's correct, but it's not, because the whole green circle is the 75, and if I put 75 there, I also have this 1 that's inside the green circle, so that indicates 76%. So I don't put 75 there. I always have to subtract whatever's in this middle from it, from whatever number I'm given, in this case 75. And then I have to do that same thing over here for the basketball. It says that 19% of the athletes are basketball players. And if I take that 1% and subtract from the 19, I have 18%. These are all percentages. But when I do that, I still have a total of 19% inside the basketball circle. Now, if we go down and use our formula, the addition rule, the probability of football is this 74 plus 1, which is 75%. And the basketball is 18 plus 1, which is 19%, which are the numbers that are given to you in the problem. But remember, we're counting this part. We're counting that 1% twice. I counted them in here, and I counted it in here. So I have to subtract that part out. That's that overlap. And so I get 75 plus 19 minus 1, or you can just say 75 plus 18, which is 85 plus 8, which is 93%, I want to say. Okay, that's it.